Is it okay for a boy to cry or men to cry?
I've never cried in my life.
Really?
Yeah, I've never cried. When I lost my
Really?
buddy or my father, I've never cried in my life. Yeah, I feel might have felt bad, but tears don't come down my eyes. I don't know. It's natural, but मैं कभी रोया नहीं हूँ any. And I'm telling you of reasons which are beyond my control and which are much bigger, like losing my buddy in combat, losing men under my command, and yeah. So crying per se, it doesn't come to me naturally. Maybe I'm hardwired or I've never cried in my life. Yes, I do feel bad, but then I have my internal mechanism to move up in life. If I face a failure or if I have a thing which is really bad, मैं move on बहुत जल्दी करता हूँ as a person. I will give you an example. I lost my buddy in combat. He was shot 18, 19 bullets, one in his head and 16, 17 on his chest.
Oh my God.
I was 23 years of age at that time when I lost him. A young guy, just into special forces, seeing a lot of combat every day, and I lost my buddy. So the best way is to go out and avenge the death of my buddy. So सुबह 7 बजे ये हुआ, हम वापस आए. I felt like कि मैं पूरा गांव को, जिस गांव में हुआ था उसको आग लगा दूं. But then you come back again. His mortal remains and his personal belongings will go to his parents. And it happened. And by 12 o'clock, the next input came कि the militants are there. We went for that. I don't give my time and
Wow.
my body to think about a loss. So ये मेरा coping mechanism है.
Right.
I think so people should try this.
Right.
Once you are under a lot of distress,
Right.
just don't give your mind and body time to think. It should
Right.
move towards the next thing. Now people will say ki, how do you move on to next thing? That you have to find ways and means to move. Because if you will keep your head and mind, if I keep on thinking
Thinking
about
about
my buddy's dead, then I was and I am a leader. I'm a person who's leading people. I cannot cry. I cannot do those kind of things. I might sound very, very uh, egoistic or kind of a person, but that's how my command sees me through and through. If they see their commander crying, this is
that's not for
that's
you.
difficult. That's difficult for me in the kind of environment I serve in.
Right.
So I need to be there, upstand, fighting with them because if we don't do that, there is no other way of surviving for us. अब क्या करोगे अगर मैं रहूंगा वो सब रोएंगे उसके बाद
क्या होएगा?
then again a thing will come that you have to go, you have to do perform the same acts. So it doesn't. So I think so. You to move on in life, you should have a goal. You should have your went out kind of a thing. Do it and just move ahead. That's how people can, I think so, move ahead in life.
Well, thank
Yeah.
you so much for sharing this because this
Yeah.
is so strong.
Yeah.
And really जो आपने बोला right thought and I always believe in this ये NLP में मैंने सीखा था thought leads to emotion leads to action कि
Okay.
जो आपके माइंड में थॉट आएगा उससे आप इमोशन अटैच करेंगे फिर वही एक्शन आएगा तो ठीक है आपने थॉट आया बट यू कैन एक्चुअली चेंज योर इमोशंस
Yeah.
by working on the thoughts
Yes.
versus getting yes
Yeah.
there will be
Because getting bogged
failures
down with the things,
right
it will not do you any harm. Uh, if you अगर आप उसी चीज के ऊपर में सोचते रहेंगे then you will not be able to move ahead. And I'm talking of bigger things in life.
right
Girlfriends, break offs, I'm not even it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't exist in my life.
and maybe that's also a very good thing कि
Yeah, so
करके
यानी कि
move on
break offs, so I don't believe that this even bothers me 0.1% in my life.